Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a frame around text in Microsoft Word document. So there are way. First one, select your text. You can select word or sentence. Now click on this borders options and select odd borders. Another way, click on insert table, select a table and paste your text. Third way, click on insert, select a text box, select simple text, paste your text here like this. So this is the way guys you can insert and make a frame around text in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.